This video will cover the topic finding a solution to a linear equation in two variables. The first rule we need to learn is that a linear equation contains an infinite number of points. Each point on the line is called the solution to the linear equation, since the coordinates of a point on the line satisfy the equation of the line. Let's look at the graph of a linear equation. Here we have the line 5x minus y equals 5. Each point is a solution to our linear equation. A few examples of these points would be 0, -5, 1, 0, and 2, 5. Let's substitute 2, 5 into our linear equation. If we substitute x equals 2 and y equals 5, we see that 5 times 2 minus 5, when simplified, equals 5. This means that the point 2, 5 is a solution to the linear equation 5x minus y equals 5. Let's look for another solution for our linear equation 5x minus y equals 5. We want to find the coordinates of a point on this line. I'm going to make y equals 0. This gets us 5x equals 5. From there we divide our 5's to get x equals 1. This makes our answer the point 1, 0. So we know that 1, 0 is a point on our line.
Wait, I got a different solution. I used x equals 0, which left me with negative y equals 5.
Then I divided both sides by -1 to get
Y equals -5. This meant that my final answer is 0, -5, which is different from your answer. Why did we get different answers?
Well, remember how earlier we were talking about the rule that a linear equation contains an infinite number of points? Both our answers are coordinates of points on the line. If we go back to our original graph, we can see that both 1, 0 and 0, -5 are on our line.
what would be another point on the line 5x minus y equals 5?
Well, if we let x equals 2, we would get 10 minus y equals 5. From there, we would subtract 10 from both sides to get negative y equals -5. There, we would divide both sides by -1 to get y equals 5. This means that our answer is the ordered pair of 2, 5. If we go back to our graph, we can see that our solution is one of the points on the line, which shows that it is a solution to our linear equation.
So I think I'm getting this, but let me summarize what we just learned. To find a solution for a linear equation in two variables, we can give a value to one variable in order to solve the other variable. This means that we have an infinite amount of solutions to our linear equation, but it would be better to find a simple solution in order to save time.
Great job.